Guys, have you ever wished for a speaker that could follow you into any adventure and amplify your experience with its immersive sound? Well, today we're taking a look at the Wild Mini speaker from Muzen. This is your ultimate outdoor companion that promises just that and so much more. So if you're someone who loves pushing the limits outdoors while enjoying great music, stick around as we explore why the Wild Mini speaker might just be what you've been waiting for. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Wild Mini rugged outdoor Bluetooth speaker, which is engineered for those who love adventure. Encased in a durable zinc alloy body, this speaker is designed to withstand the toughest conditions, making it ideal for pool parties, hikes, picnics and more. The military-inspired design ensures durability and water resistance, allowing you to enjoy your music in any environment. Now, before we get into it, Muzen sent me this speaker to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, open up the box and we are greeted with this cool hard plastic case, which is kind of like a military design, which complements this speaker very nicely. Open up the latches and we have the Wild Mini speaker in all its glory. Okay, so the case is way bigger than the speaker, but you know what? It's still pretty cool. Take the speaker out and underneath you have some instructions and you have a USB-C charging cable. Now, back to the speaker. Well, you know what? Check out this design, guys. It is so cool. It kind of looks like an old army radio. It's made from metal, making it very durable, and it's also rainproof, so that's pretty cool too. On the front, you have the main speaker grille shrouded with some cool Allen screws. On the top, you have a hook for strapping a lanyard, so you can put this onto a backpack or some clothing. Sadly, Muzen did not ship me this lanyard due to stock, which is a bit of a shame. You also have this torch, but more on that in just a minute. Then guys, to the front, you have this very industrial metal knurled knob, which is your volume control. And you know what? It's nice to have such a tactile control. I mean, listen to this. Nice, eh? You know what? Because usually all we're dealing with these days are touch buttons. So you know what? This very nice mechanical knob is a nice touch. Moving along to the center and you have a multi-control knob. Pressing it down and holding it, you turn the speaker on. And you also get a cool SOS Morse code tone. That's quite cool, hey? Now guys, when the switch is in the middle, it's in Bluetooth mode. Pressing it in turns on a pretty bright torch, which once you press it again, you can dim the brightness, and pressing it again puts the torch into this SMS Morse code flashing mode. Incidentally, when the speaker is on, let's turn that off a minute. Morse code's going again. When the speaker is on, Morse code, eh? It's okay, it's fine. No, nothing's happening. Anyway, when you've turned the speaker on, you kind of get this very subtle glow to this torch as well. So that's a nice touch. And guys, lastly, on the front, you have this other rotary control, which kind of looks like a fuel cap. And this allows you to change tracks backwards or forwards, depending on which way you rotate it. And if you push it in, you can play and pause your music. So that's kind of cool. And lastly, you've got this protective cap on the side, which if you open it up, gives you your USB-C port to charge it with. Now guys, this unit is pretty solid. It's also pretty lightweight and it's compact. The Wild Mini is designed for portability It easily fits in a bag, in a pocket, in a rucksack, whatever, making it the perfect companion for music lovers on the go. With its waterproof design and multiple flashlight modes, it adds an extra layer of safety and convenience to your adventures. Now, as it's a speaker, I guess we need to talk about sound quality, right? I mean, I'm not one for playing speakers over microphones because you don't really get a view on how it actually sounds. But I'm going to say I played a ton of different music through this very nice speaker. And I have to say, it's pretty immersive. And you know what? It's pretty impressive too. For a small unit, it's loud and detailed. So yeah, it gets my vote. So guys, there you have it. Whether you're at home, in the office, or exploring the great outdoors, the Wild Mini Speaker delivers exceptional sound quality. Its cutting-edge technology and superior audio performance makes it the ultimate portable audio companion for any setting, enable you to experience your favourite tunes. The Wild Mini Speaker really is where durability meets superior sound. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up for around $80. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see any more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Muzen for sending me this very cool speaker to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.